yung PC kasi yung makaka-chat lang sa akin is yung ano, yung mga subscribers ko lang. But they need to check my PC again, guys. So I think kailangan yung pumunta with me. So I am here. That is my cat. Hi, Goal. Hi. So my Victoria is she started. I don't know what she's going to do in here. But I think she's making cards for her classmate that will have his birthday. And this is my room actually, guys. And meron lang ako i-check konti talaga. Meron lang ako i-check konti sa Jolo, orong ka doon. So, I'm gonna be checking a bit my settings here in my computer. Ayan, guys. So, nakikita nyo, mainit po talaga sa labas ngayon. Ang init sa labas ngayon, guys, no? So, sana hindi masyadong mainit mamaya. Meron lang ako titingnan dito sa PC ko because I want to kasi baka meron akong na change na setting. Bakit hindi maka-message sa akin yung mga new viewers ko? You know, because I really like you to interact with me, guys, and it seems like parang bakit hindi kayo nakaka-message? So I'm here facing on my computer right now, guys. Maybe I've changed some of the settings because I want you guys to interact with me. Hi guys, thank you so much for watching. Actually, thank you so much. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and do comment as well. I'm facing here in my PC right now, guys, because I have to check if my setting is right. And it's very humid. Hi! Thank you for being here in my live. Thank you so much. Please leave a comment. Try to leave a comment, guys. I'm just going to fix something. But I need to fix a little bit on my computer. I guess there's something wrong with my chat. Please don't forget to subscribe po, viewers, at Daphne and Victoria 77 po. Ay, thank you, Sir Badakal.